Hey guys, Glenn here. In this video, we're going to be talking about a very common problem that everybody that ever owned a 3D printer has experienced before, and that is tangles in your filament. Owning a 3D printing business, I go through hundreds of rolls a month. Most people in Facebook groups and Reddit chats talk about how a certain filament brand always tangles, and they're very quick to blame the manufacturer. However, I found out that it's 99%, unfortunately, I'm sorry to say, it's you. And I'm going to show you how I switch my filament rolls over to change colors and how I avoid ever getting a tangle in a filament roll. Alright, let's preheat this bad boy so I can show you once it gets preheated. I'm going to show you how I change the rolls. Alright, roll heated up. Now, before you just press the button to unload filament, you're not going to hit that yet. Okay, start off, cut the filament first. Alright, put your tools back. Now, while you're holding on to this tight, grab this filament holder. It's called the dragging clip that I'm going to link down below in the description that you're going to print after this video. Okay, and you're going to put it just like this, and then click it in. Then you take the filament roll and you can put it wherever you want, and it's not gonna be loose. Then you take this, take it off, slide the dragging clip off, put the dragging clip wherever you need it, go down to unload the filament, take it off, put the new filament in. It'll take it, and then you're done. No tangles. Now, during editing this video, I realized that what I actually do is I press the unload button, take the thing off, and then take the dragging clip off and put the new filament in. But you get the idea. You want to keep it taut. The dragging clips are an awesome STL file that you can download. I'll link it down below for you guys. Download it. I suggest that you print it in PETG, because if you don't print it in PETG, I used to print them in PLA, being a cheapo, but the problem is they warp. So if you get like a cardboard roll, it's going to warp it so that they're kind of unusable eventually on other rolls that are thinner, like the plastic rolls, like JL for instance. So you guys get the idea. I hope that this will help you guys never get a tangle again. If you do get a tangle, you know, it's going to be a one-off. You know, I do this throughout my whole print shop, and it works very well for me, and hopefully it will for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Watch this video next. Have a great day.